So this is a 2-barrel holley carb out of a 75 Dodge. It's off a 360 motor, and I'm going to rebuild it. So we'll see how that goes. Okay, so now we popped off the top here, and you can see it is not in great shape. Nothing looks clean, and that's the gas that's in there, and that is a mucky, gross color. So something's not going right, so let's clean it up. Alright, so I'm getting into it, and we've just been cleaning, each kind of major piece here. And this guy, this is your main inlet for the fuel, and it comes right through, let's see if you can see that, right through there into this. And you can see that is pretty packed full of crap, and probably not letting a whole lot of fuel actually into the carburetor. So it might just been a slow dribble which allowed it to start, but wasn't able to keep it running. So that's going to be good to replace. So now we're putting the new gasket back on. Everything's been cleaned out. And then you need to seat these two together. Shablammy. And then put in all this. Gotta put in all the screws. That's the boring part. So I'm just finishing up with just cleaning off the air adjustment screws, the idle air adjustment screws, and they go in here. And I've just read online that it's you bottom it out and then back them up, turn in a half. So that's what I'm going to do. All right, so I would say right now I'm pretty happy, man. I'll turn her up for you, but we just fired her up after the carb rebuild, and sorry, there's not a whole lot of light in here, but brand new, rebuilt carb, and first time running, and we were really worried because there was a lot of oil sprayed all over that door when we got her. And first thing I did was drain the oil, and there was about twice as much oil as there needed to be in there, and it was all water consistency. So I don't know if someone was just like, oh, just keep adding more oil instead of doing an oil change. But so we actually changed the oil, And now the rebuild carb happened, and the tink is, there's a big hole in the exhaust pipe right there, and it sounds like one up there too, but as far as actually running goes, not too shabby. Yeah, I'm not bummed out about that. So this is gonna be the new little truck. Gonna make it into a flatbed just for fun because I got it.